Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload an HTML website to the internet for free. First of all, open any browser and type Netlify. Then click on the first link. Once it's open, go to the top right corner and click on Sign Up. After that, you will see three options: Sign up with GitHub, Sign up with GitLab, and Sign up with Bitbucket. If you go below, there is the option to sign up with email, so click on it. Enter your email and password. Then click on Sign Up. Once it's done, you will receive a notification from Netlify to check your email inbox for instructions on how to verify your account. Open your Gmail. And you will see the first email received from Netlify. Open that email and click on the Verify Email button. Netlify will start opening. Here they are asking how you are planning to use Netlify. Click on Personal. After that, select Personal Site. Under what kind of site do you want to build? Next, Netlify will ask, what best describes your role? Go below to the option to add your team members. If you don't have any team members, continue to deploy. Here is an option to deploy your project, and we have four options: GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and Azure DevOps. We will skip this step for now. Scroll down to the option for two-factor authentication for your website. This is important for security. Click on Sites. And now you have the option to import an existing project. You can deploy from Git or browse templates. If you go now, there is an option to drag and upload files. Drag your HTML file here. Minimize the folder, drag the HTML file into Netlify. Then double-click on index.html. Once the website opens, you will see a simple site with our channel name written on it. Close that tab and return to the Netlify website. Decrease the size of this window, then drag your folder over. Maximize the window and you will see a notification that your site is being set up. Click on Get Started. Scroll down to the option for two-factor authentication. But we will do it later. Go above and click on the Secure Your Site button. Register with HTTPS to secure your site automatically with an Let's Encrypt certificate. There is also an option to purchase a custom domain through a third-party website. Your site is now deployed, meaning it is live on any browser. To make your website more engaging, follow these steps. That's how to upload an HTML website to the internet for free. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.